Hello, we are routine number 6, and we're gonna talk about the inorganic chemical compounds. Our compound is the NaOH. Its chemical name is sodium hydroxide, so its formula is NaOH, and its common name is caustic soda.
Hello, my name is Melanie Alejandro Hernandez Reinaga, and I will talk about the classification of sodium hydroxide based on certain aspects. First, in its classification according to the type of compound, it is an ionic compound because it contains an ionic bond and sodium cation hydroxide anion. As for its classification according to the number of elements, it is a ternary compound. That is, it is composed of three elements: sodium, oxygen, and hydrogen. As for its classification by chemical function, sodium hydroxide is a strong base. It reacts easily with acids, neutralizing them and forming salt and water. Its main chemical functions revolve around its strong basic properties, which allow it to react with acids, neutralize pH levels, and alter the structure of organic molecules such as fats.
How is NaOH obtained? It is primarily produced through an industrial process called Czech chloride tiling process. This process involves electrolysis of brine solution, sodium chloride. Additionally, sodium hydroxide can be produced by reacting pure sodium metal with water. Number 1. Solution of sodium chloride is prepared in water. A current is passed through the brine solution and electrolytic cell. At Czech cathode, sodium ions gain electrons and form sodium metal. At the anode, chloride ions lose electrons and form chlorine gas. A mercury cathode is used, and sodium metal dissolves into the mercury, forming a sodium amalgam. In the mercury cell, the sodium amalgam is then reacted with water producing NaOH and hydrogen gas.
I'm going to talk about its uses, applications, and importance, and also its environmental impact of sodium hydroxide, because it is a very versatile and widely used chemical in many industries. In paper industry, it is used to break down lignin in wood, helping separate cellulose fibers during the pulping process. In petroleum refining, it removes acid impurities from petroleum products. In aluminum processing, it plays a key role in the Bayer process, where the sodium hydroxide helps extract the alumina from bauxite ore by dissolving aluminum compounds. And another important application is in saponification, because sodium hydroxide reacts with fats and oils to produce soap and glycerol, and this process is essential from the soap making industry. And in the industry of food, sodium hydroxide is used for curing olives, removing skins for fruits and vegetables before canning, and giving pretzels their distinctive texture and color. Um, Now, the importance. Sodium hydroxide is extremely important due to its high alkalinity and strong reactivity, and it is essential in the pharmaceutical industry, the aluminum processing, and the water treatment, where it helps adjust pH levels and treat drinking water and wastewater. And despite its usefulness, sodium hydroxide can have environmental impacts, like it can alter the pH of aquatic ecosystems, harming aquatic life if not properly neutralized. It's corrosive, which means it can damage living tissues and materials if released into the environment. And however, it is usually done by accumulate, and in nature, it tends to be neutralized by other compounds over time.
And the conclusion of this compound is that NaOH is very important component for technological and economic development, and is involved in many processes that sustain today's production. Its responsibility to use is also important due to its corrosive nature, which underlines the need for safe and conscious handling in all its applications. So, thank you so much for your attention, and it's all.